Hello Maring, nandito tayo sa Belk at sa likod ko naman ay yung Bells. Yan, magandang mag-shopping dyan, maraming discount, mga branded items na discounted yung price. So nandito tayo sa Belk. Yung ano nila, parang mini mall. At meron palang ano ngayon, cyclone, mamay until 7 PM. Kaya hindi kami makapag-stay dito ng matagal. Kasi uulan mamaya. Open the door, babe.
It's not that mommy's being slow. She has short, stubby legs. She can only move so fast.
Stubby leg. Get in. Thank you. Wow. Ang ganda ng mga damit. 40% off. Vince Camuto. Magkano ang price? $49 pero ano siya 40% off. Madami silang mga ano dito, office style na mga damit. Wow, ganda ng dress, Marine. Magkano kaya to? $69. Mahal, $69. Sino mga ano dito, formal wear. Wow, nice. 79 ang mahal. Pero naka-ano naman siya, naka-sale 30%, may 40%. At ito naman yung binili ko last time na ano pang formal kasi may interview ako ngayong Wednesday sa immigration. Ito yung nabili ko, Maring. No, ang ganda ng kanilang mga ano, long sleeve, mga dress, mga classic formal wear. Huh? Oh, let's go to the shoes section. Wow, I like this. I like the dress. You smell so good. Is that the one?
Smell my neck.
Yes. You smell so good, baby girl. This is nice. How much is this? $49.
We're here for looking
I like
shoes,
that one.
not clothes.
I'm just looking. Hello, nice to knitted. So, maghanap tayo ng black heels. Very nice shoe. $19. Black heels kasi isusuotin ko sa interview ko, Maring. Ang ganda namang mga shoes. Ano nila ang mga sandals. Heels. I want a close one, babe. Like formal heels. Maybe this. This is nice. How much is that? 85. 85. Maybe this is for sale. It's 30% off.
Yeah.
This is the only display they have.
Oh.
What is good?
Meron din dito. Oh, nice. Nice siya. Life Stride. $80. Mahal.
Mommy, look.
Wow. Ganda din ito, oh. Mga sapatos, Crown Ivy. $50. So 30% of $50.
What size?
What size? This is 8.5. Let me try it first, babe.
What's the wrong size?
I need 7. Size 7. Do that. It's shaking though.
That's because it's not fitted. Let me see if I can find it.
This is the only shoes they have, babe. There's no other display.
Look, Mommy, look at this. Mommy.
Yeah, nice ng boots. Wow, glimmer, pang concert. How much is the boots?
I know.
$129. OMG. Let's go this way. Wow, ang daming jewelry. Baka meron din dito. Ah, wala na. Let me see. Wow. Ini yung jewelry, Maring. Oh, grabe, pang mayaman.
Jewelry.
$34.
Wow, look at these.
Mga flat shoes. Oh, may heels din para dito. Oh. Heels.
Look at these.
Yeah. Nice. Ang daming sapatos, Maring. Heels na ganito. Ito naman boots. Wow, ang ganda ng boots. Mga ang daming klaseng boots. Oh, this is nice. So we might need to find a different store. Wow, ang ganda ng boots.
Josie Braxton and Cooper, two Mimi.
I want a little higher than that.
That's 5.5.
Two your Mimi. We're gonna look.
Like higher heels. Like a pump heels type. Wow, ang daming boots. Ano to? I want a pump heels, but pump. Yung close ba? Yung hindi makikita yung ano ko. Yung mga kuko. Hold on, B.
Look,
Wow, very nice
as
boots.
Whistler.
I want black.
Mommy, the same boots as Whistler.
Yeah. Let's see. Wow, ang ganda ng mga shoes. May mga damit din.
What about that?
Here's like, I don't like it.
Well, then don't shop it with it.
Ganda ng boots. Yeah, we'll just have to see the
Yeah, we'll
other
go.
shoe department.
Yeah, we'll go over there.
Oh, ang daming mga ano, damit pambata. Lahat naka-sale.
My Nike shoes.
I will get your shoe Christmas. Your Christmas.
Way more.
Oh, so cute. How much is that?
That's too
I don't
small
think
for
that
me.
will fit you.
No, that's too small, bro.
Yeah. Ang ganda ng mga boots.
That looks
Maliit.
That's not for me. That's not my size. That's 5.
Oh, cute shoes here.
Wow.
Wow.
Look at this one.
Yeah, that is rainbow shoe.
It looks like mine. Wow.
Right, let's just go to a different store. Get up, B. It's not here. They don't have it.
They'll have what? They don't have what?
The heels. Punta tayo sa ibang store kasi wala silang pump heels.
Look at that one.
Wow, bags. I like the bag. Ganda ng bag. Itong gusto ko mo rin. Magkano to? 9 wins. Walang price. Walang price yung bag.
Look.
Nice yung bag.
Look.
I see. Ito din siya. Oh.
Guys, I'm just looking like my mom.
Wow, 9 West. Ito naman siya, $89. Yung ganitong design. Ang ganda. Maraming masisidlan. Malalagay ang payong. Yun naman ay $100. Ito siya. Ito naman ay $99. Okay. So, nandito tayo sa perfume. Bumibili ng perfume ang asawa ko. Sobrang bango nito, Marin. Itong Beautiful Magnolia Dare to Love. Estee Lauder. Estee Lauder. How much is it?
Now this is 150.
So, ayan siya. Yung maliit at malaki.
That's the big one.
It's 100.
Can we use these coupons on
So, it's $150 yung malaki.
We don't have problems selling it. It's good stuff. But yes, it is. All right. You want to use your debit card?
You got the biggest one? Or the small one?
Well, which one do you want?
A small one.
You want the small one?
Yeah, how much is the bigger one?
$150.
Okay, and this
And
is
this
the
one?
medium size one.
That bottle there is the large.
That's the large. That's the large bottle.
You remember?
Yeah, I know it, but
Yeah, that size is. So what do you want?
we can get a small one for now. That is so
You want
expensive.
that one? If you want to show.
It's 150, babe. We'll just get a small one for now.
And this is 110.
One.
So it's 150, 110, and I think that one's probably like 80.
No, let's see, because you just
The small one.
85. You're right.
Yeah. Yung maliit ay $85.
Doesn't matter. And it's little.
I want the small one.
You do?
No, just get the medium one.
Alright, then a medium one.
Yeah, get your medium.
Yeah,
You benefit. You get more. You get more out of it. Yeah. All right. You want to put that on your belt? I mean your what? A bed report? Okay, sure.
Lali. Ang ganda, Maring. Sobrang mahal ng perfume. Ay, ito nandito yung pinaka-crush ko. Kano ba to? 60% off, $78. Wow! Nice! Babalik ako dito next time pag may pera. Kasi mahal yung mga display dito. Sobrang branded lahat. Yan branded lahat, Maring. Pero maganda yung design. Ano siya ba? Formal. Mga classic designs. $98 to siya. At ito naman yung vest. Malaki drama na vest. $139. Pero naka 30% off. Ito naman yung isa pang vest. Ang ganda. Wow. Bumili ng perfume ang asawa ko. Sabi ko, yung maliit lang kasi ang mahal. Pero kinuha niya yung medium size. Oh my God. Tignan nyo itong dress na ito. Napakaganda, Maring. Grabe. Yan, $74. Ang ganda ng kulay. May green. Alo. Wala lang akong pera, Maring. Sobrang ganda. Gargaw na. Okay. Punta tayo sa ibang store dahil walang pump heels dito. Ito yung mga formal wear cardigan. Very nice. Go. So we will go to shoe show. We'll just walk. Nandito yung mga outlets nila. May Bells, may Shoe Show, City Trend, Cricket, Factory Connection. So lalakarin lang natin. May airplane Himala naka-perfume ng mamahalin.
It was $120.
This is 120?
Yeah.
And the big one is 160.
What tax and all? Yeah, it'd be like 150.
Yeah, we'll just do the small ones for now. I mean,
Why?
I can use this for months because you only need a little bit. You don't need a lot of spray for this.
One spray.
Yeah, one spray is enough because
Why?
it lasts. Maganda to, Maring. Ang perfume na to. Napakabango niya. Tapos, watch out. It lasts for whole day talaga. Kahit na tapos ka nang maligo, yung baho nito nandun pa rin. Ito siya. Ito siya na
Oh, you gotta watch people.
Nandito tayo sa Bells. Pasok tayo sa Bells.
We'll go here, then we go to the shoot. Dang it, can't have it.
Okay. Yeah. Come here. Oh, ang ganda ng hoodie. California hoodie. $13 only. This hoodie.
It's not good.
Good. Come around.
Sweater.
Come here.
There you go. You can go to the door like that and get the package.
Yan yung maringo. Bodysuit.
And they have look at book bag.
A Sonic. Maganda mag-shopping dito. Maraming branded items. Tapos, mura lang. Yan o. $26 to siya. Compare at $20, $9 na lang siya. Who's Wonder?
Oh my god, there's a lot.
There's a lot of shoes. Daming tao. Yung mga boots. Ang hirap makakita ng heels. Got the heels. $16. Oh, this one, babe. Okay.
What's wrong with him? Sit down over here.
Kasha sa akin. Kasha. It fits me, but my toes, it doesn't spread. Like, it's literally like that together.
Well, yeah, because it comes down to the point.
Oh no, I want to try those. I want to
There's
try
a ring.
those. You might wear a dress with that.
I mean, you're not.
Very nice.
Well,
I'll
yeah.
reserve it. I'll reserve it. But I'm just gonna go around. Maybe there's more.
Try those.
Just hold that one.
Hold up a moment.
I want to try those.
Not right
It's
now.
only $16.
This is like a shoe carrier.
Hanap tayo dito ng, hala, meron pa, grabe, ang ganda nito, marig. From $30, $14 na lang siya, 7.5, size 7.5. Tingnan nyo.
It's not accessory. You hold up. I don't know.
They're only going to be on for one trip. You can probably know where to move.
I will wear it. Oh, look. Hala ka, maring. Ito na nice. Pero size 8 siya. Wala nang ibang size. Ito maganda, oh. Gusto ko yung pointy. Ano, ibang size, maring.
Mommy, look, look, Elgar boots. Elgar boots, Mommy. Elgar boots.
I see it.
For his cowgirl shoes. Well done, man. Why are we in the kids section? God. You know why? Look at that. Why is that blue?
Siya 8 size. Wow, they have a lot of clothes. $8. I'll come back here next time. Come here. I'll come back here next time to shopping.
You walking down there? I got my bag.
Excuse me. Okay. Punta tayo sa ibang store kasi yung sandal doon masakit siya sa paa. Oh, is this here is closed? Office is closed. Ang office dyan. Wala masyadong tao sa store na to. Si Shoe Show. Oh,
It's closed.
1 to 6.
In 15 minutes.
Hmm.
Well,
Yeah, we can go down here and look in 15 minutes, then we'll come back.
Where? The city trends?
Is that what that is?
Yeah. City trends.
No, not here. I don't even think they carry shoes.
That's big lots there, babe.
Huh?
That's big lots.
Yeah, this is it.
Oh. Pasok tayo sa big lots.
But pick something quick, it's starting to rain.
Another discount store. Get in. Punta tayo sa shoe section. Let's go to somewhere here. Excuse me. Wala yata silang sapatos, Maring. Puro lang mga ano. Yeah, it's all house stuff, house furniture. $200 siya. Yung chair, bench, $249. Wow, mga plant stand. $11. Ganito. So, wala silang sapatos dito. It's mostly mga decoration. 40% off yung mga lamp, mga pots. Yan, daming pots, decoration. Meron na rin silang fall decoration, pumpkin. Yan. Mga couch. Rocking chair. You're now an old lady.
stop. I just want to sit here.
That is so nice. It would be nice we have like this in the backyard.
So it could be like
Our
this.
patio.
So it could be like this. So we can put it. So we can. I can be like this.
That's nice. Tignan niyo mo
Look
rin
at
yun.
this table.
Mm.
Wow. Daddy, look at we need that.
This chair,
Daddy, look
this
at that
couch is a sectional is $659. Table is $119. Bistro $179.
It's a rocking chair, yeah, but it's not rocking.
It's so hot here.
So it's not rocking.
Yeah, the AC ain't running up the hill, man.
Alita. Where did they put it, Alita? Daddy, why did they put it, Alita?
Got toys.
I'm not the market report.
Don't let Lily see the toys.
Oh, she already scoped out.
She already saw the toys. Sorry. Look. Pet
Yep,
costume.
Football fraternity.
Hot dog. That's so cute. Oh, they got bees.
And they
Bees.
have a tab boy.
Oh, spider.
Tab boy.
That's already running around with that on.
That is really cute. Mga ano, costume ng aso, mga maring.
And then a cat.
Oh, this would be really funny.
A cat.
The hot dog.
A cowboy.
Oh, yeah. $12.
And a pumpkin. And then Tori will be a bee. Tori will be like a bee. Or a pumpkin.
Charlie will be a bee and a pumpkin.
Or maybe a hot dog. or maybe a hot dog. Cherry will be like
Ng mga bed ng dogs. Ito siya, $16. Meron din doon sa taas. Meron na ganito. Ang problema nito pag, may sleeper. Oh, akala ko para sa dog. Hindi pala. Ang cute, pambata. Problema lang nito pag binilhan ko yung mga aso ko ng ganito.
Mommy.
Kinakain nila. So, wala.
Mommy.
Hindi mag-last long yung bed kasi.
Mommy, Frenchie Poodle.
Yeah. Kasi nabubutas lang, kaya hindi na lang. Wala na silang bed ngayon.
Daddy, look. It's Frenchie Poodle. Daddy, look. Daddy, look.
No, it's so cute.
This,
A Mexican.
this Halloween.
Mexicano dog.
Mommy,
Hmm.
there's a bad dogs. There's a bad toy for dogs.
Oh, yeah. Toy. Our dogs have
Well, look
toys.
at this. Wait, look at
This
this one.
is
Mommy, look at
Gremlin.
this.
So cute.
And who's
Squeaky
that?
buddies.
I
Yeah,
look-
but Charlie
look at
already have toys. They got a lot of
Mommy,
toys.
look at this one.
I see.
Spider.
I like the spider.
Charlie will have a hat.
I like the spider.
Charlie will have a hat.
Very
will-
expensive.
I'll
How
put
much
a
is this?
hat on Charlie.
$8.
Oh,
You want to get him a spider?
spider. Yeah, he can wear that in winter, fall.
Daddy,
Medium.
Should fit him.
if you drink white milk,
Look, Lily. Charlie will be a spider.
what? And mommy, Charlie will. I will put Charlie a hat on.
Oh, yeah.
No, don't do this. We got.
Charlie will have a hat on.
No, he's a spider.
The dog be like this is heavy.
But we're getting it.
Yeah.
Well, we're getting it. Charlie will be like, I'm a spider.
See if they got the clear binder here.
Oh, do they have school supplies here?
That's what.
Ay, oh, kailangan pala niya ng
There's a
clear
wine.
binder sa school. Let's see if they have
on.
3-ring clear binder. Ito tayo sa stationery. Mga notebooks, mga t-shirt. Mga panty. Nasa panty na tayo na section. Mga slippers. Pajamas. Woven throw blankets. Pillows. I don't think they have it. They don't have it, babe. Oh my god. That's really cute.
And for people that like it.
You want to get it?
Yeah.
We'll lay it on the floor because they don't have bed. That will be their bed. Ginagamit ko lang yung towel pang ano nila. Yun yung bed nila, yung towel. That's $12. I don't know. You ask Daddy. I don't have money. Hot bombs. Face mask.
I really want to get
Okay.
this.
Ice roller.
Mommy, I
Let's
really
go. They don't have that.
I really want to make popsicle. I really wanted to make a popsicle.
We do have a
You don't have
popsicle.
those.
We
do
can't find
have
it. We
that.
can't find it.
I keep it. We already have it. Come here. Harness pangpet. Kahit muna tayo. Open na yung store. Pasok na tayo sa... Ay, hindi pala to. This is City Trends. Yeah. Hindi pala. Sa kabila pala. Hindi ako sure kung may sapatos pa sila dyan. Dito tayo sa shoe show. Pasok tayo dito. Get in! Let's get in. Let's go over that way.
I wish I could get shoes.
Mommy's gonna get heels.
Huh?
Ay, nandun yung mga heels.
Hmm?
Dito yung mga ano nila, oh. Black heels. Wow, so pretty.
Mommy, look.
May spiky na siya. I want a close shoe lang, grabe. Grabe, ito maring, oh, nakakapatay na sapatos. Spiky. Spiky shoe.
What do you want, spiky shoes?
Oh, that one is pretty.
Mommy, look. Mommy, look. This is so good.
Hold that.
Mommy,
Just hold that.
Mommy, this is a shark shoe.
I know. Sharky shoe.
Do the try on the shark shoe? Mommy, look.
Hmm.
I don't need to hold it.
Oh, yeah. Hold on, babe. I'm gonna find something here. Yung mga sapatos nila, oh. Wala man akong nakita na ano, eh. Sa Amazon man yung nakita ko na maganda yung design.
Mommy,
Wala pang
got it from
heels. Yung mga sapatos nila maring. Tapos yung mga sportswear. Hold on, be. Gonna find it.
Daddy said, where's the paper?
He knows we're inside. Kung ihagis to sa'yo, wa na. Good luck. Bad luck.
You want those?
Size 7.
You want to wear those? Spike.
You don't like it?
Oh,
Yes, when I'm mad at you, I'll throw it to you. This is so sharp.
look, feel that. Look,
Mommy, this is. I want you to try it.
can you try it?
It's not super spiky.
For home ring. So, ito yung nabili ko na sapatos from $41. $9 na lang siya. Grabe yung sale. From $41 na lang siya. Ito yung nabili ko. May nagustuhan ako na black heels, kaya lang walang size. Wala silang size. Kung ano lang kasi yung display, yun lang yun. Wala nang iba. So, ito na lang yung nakuha ko. Ito siya. Medyo malaki. So, size 7 pero medyo malaki. Maluwag siya. So, bumili ako ng ng ganito, oh. Hairliner. Pero maluwag pa rin. So, lalagyan ko lang ng papel yung dulo. Sinuot na ng aso ang kayang costume. Charlie is a spider. Oh my God. Halloween.
We can do that for Halloween.
Yeah. Charlie's costume for Halloween.
So we can bring Charlie.
Oh my God, Charlie, you got big butt. Oh my God.
La.
Miss Taco.
Yeah.
Miss Taco. And the spider, the tarantula.
Charlie wants to eat your wallet.
Meron ako suman, niluto ko to kahapon.
This
Gawa
one?
siya sa kamuting kahoy. At saka yung sushi. Na ginawa ko rin kahapon sa ito yung tanghalian namin. Tapos na akong kumain
Something is
dyan.
wrong
Kaya
with her
mag-snack
face.
muna tayo ng suman.
Of course, your favorite food.
Yeah, homemade cassava.
And you got to make so.
Ito siya mga maring, oh. Ang sarap.
This is how the banana leaves get apart, and you just
Yung dahon na to ay galing to sa dahon ng saging namin dyan sa likod. So, yun yung kinuha ko. Tapos, bumili ako ng kamuting kahoy sa Walmart. May doon, kamuting kahoy. So, minix ko lang yung coconut milk, yung brown sugar, at saka yung kamuting kahoy.
So she just put the banana leaves on the stove.
Try it.
Mommy, I did. Gosh.
Pinatay ko sa asawa ko. Ayaw niya. Ano daw? Sticky daw. Sticky. Ah.